So a lot of folks have been asking, what exactly is the plate method? Well, the plate method is one of the easiest ways to assure you are eating a balanced diet of veggies, lean proteins, and yes, carbs. Even if you don't count carbs, the plate method can be an effective way to eat a diet beneficial to diabetic health. And when combined with carb counting, you are assured you are eating just as you should. So, exactly how does the plate method work? Well, first, the plate should not be too large. 9 inches is what is recommended. Now imagine drawing a line down the center of the plate. Then draw another line dividing one of the halves into half again. This will give you 3 sections. Let's look at one of the smaller sections first. Most meals begin with protein. Ours does too. Take one of the smaller sections and use that for your protein. Keep in mind, for our health we should keep this protein lean. Chicken, fish, eggs, shellfish, lean beef, lean pork, beans, lentils, and many other plant-based proteins are all good choices. A fist-sized portion is usually a good amount. The next of the smaller sections is for carbs. Complex carbs. Many people first learning about eating as a diabetic mistakenly skip this very necessary part of a balanced diet. Complex carbs are not the enemy as long as we watch how many we eat. This section should be made up of any combination of whole grains, such as brown rice or oats, for example. It can also include starchy vegetables such as squash, beans, potatoes, and so on. Fruits and dairy, such as yogurt, are included here as well. Now for the largest section. This is for non-starchy vegetables. Non-starchy vegetables are lower in carbohydrates, so they do not raise blood sugar very much. They are also high in vitamins, minerals, and especially fiber, making them an important and delicious part of a healthy diet. Filling half our plate with non-starchy vegetables means you will get plenty of servings of these superfoods that include greens, asparagus, Brussels sprouts, mushrooms, and on and on. Make sure, as part of your meal, you hydrate with plenty of low-calorie liquids such as water, flavored water, or unsweetened iced tea, among others. Of course, our meals don't always fit neatly into the sections of the plate. Many dishes combine the different food types together, like soups, casseroles, sandwiches, and so on. You can still use the plate method when preparing and portioning combination foods. Just identify the different foods in the dish, and think about where they would fit on the plate. The plate method is one of the simplest ways to help you choose a healthy meal. For the ultimate healthy diet, you can combine carb counting and the plate method. You still use the plate method as we discussed, but while doing so you also count your carbs, and aim for your carb goal. The two methods working together will have you jumping for joy as your A1C drops lower than you thought possible. If you have any questions about the plate method, or how to count carbs, make sure to ask them in the room. The group will do all it can to help you understand. Remember, we are all in this together, and together we help each other.